Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English Classroom Standard 7. It's Naila Froz Ghazi. We are solving English workshop on page number 28 in textbook. In this, we have solved exercise number 1, guess the meaning. Exercise number 2, I told you to prepare a timetable for your trip. Exercise number 3, right and wrong. Now see exercise number 4. In exercise number 4, it is asking, imagine you are Sayali. Write your diary for every day of your trip to the moon and for the day you gave the earring to your mother. Here it is asking to you that you should imagine that you are Sayali. So while you will convert this story, you should use I. In the lesson, someone is narrating the story. The writer is narrating the story, Sayali's trip. Here you have to use the pronoun my trip. Imagine that you are Sayali and you are writing this diary. So use I pronoun and my while you convert this story. Exercise number 5. Discuss. In the story, human settlements are mentioned but not cities or villages. Why it is so? मून पर ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट तो है लेकिन वहाँ सिटीज़ और विलेजेस नहीं है. तो क्यों नहीं है? What may be the reason? Why there are not villages and cities on the moon? You have to explain it. Exercise number 6. Gather more information about the following from your science textbook, the internet and other sources. You have to write about the gravitational force, view of the sky when you are on the moon. जब आप मून पर हो तो आपको स्काई कैसा दिखता है. एंड Chandrayaan mission of India, about the Indian satellite Chandrayaan who landed on the moon. You have to write information about the Chandrayaan mission of India. Search for it. You may use internet, you may use your science textbook for asking the gravitational force, and somewhat in this lesson is given how the sky looks from the moon, view of the sky from the moon. So find all these 3 answer using the science textbook and the internet, and you may also use other sources also. Exercise number 7. You want to start human settlement somewhere else other than the earth in the universe. Will you select a star or a planet? Why? What features supporting life will you look for? Try to find answer to such questions and make a presentation using scientific information and your imagination. You have to write a speech about where you want to स्टार्ट अ सेटलमेंट, कहाँ आप ह्यूमन कॉलोनीज़ बनाना चाहते हो, उसके लिए आपको वहाँ पर क्या क्या चाहिए, आप किस स्टार को और किस प्लानेट को इसके लिए चूज़ करेंगे. तो इसके लिए आपको एक स्पीच तैयार करनी है, एक प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना है और उसमें आपको ये बताना है क्या वहाँ पर लाइफ जीने के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. व्हाट फीचर सपोर्टिंग लाइफ विल यू लुक फॉर. सपोर्टिंग लाइफ, ज़िंदगी जीने के लिए, ज़िंदा रहने के लिए किन किन चीज़ों का होना ज़रूरी है और तुम कैसे वहाँ पर सेटलमेंट बनाओगे. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 8. ग्रामर. We have learnt about the nouns. Exercise number 8 is language study, means grammar. here it is given common noun. We learned about the noun. I have told you the types of noun in grammar class also and in English classroom also. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. These 5 types of noun I have taught you. In exercise number 8 in this book, it is given common noun. What it says, see here in your book. Some nouns stand for a number of persons or things taken together. बहुत से नाउन ऐसे होते हैं कि जो एक चीज़ों के एक ग्रुप के लिए एक ही नाम यूज़ होता है. उन नाउन्स को हम कलेक्टिव नाउन कहते हैं. कॉमन नाउन्स आर collective nouns are always common noun. See, for example, class. A class of 60 students. क्लास में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितने स्टूडेंट्स रहते हैं? 60, 40, 50. But this group of student is called a class. So class is a collective noun because this is a name collectively given to a group of persons or things. A herd of cattle. Some cattle are grazing on the field. There is not only one cattle. There is a group of cattle. There is a group of cattle. So the group of cattle is called, collectively it is called herd. So herd is a collective noun. A flock of sheep. भेड़े जो हमेशा रहती है झुंड में रहती है. बकरियों का आपने झुंड देखा होगा, भेड़ों का, तो उसको फ्लॉक बोलते हैं. फ्लॉक ऑफ शीप. अ टीम ऑफ प्लेयर्स. देयर आर 12 प्लेयर्स इन अ क्रिकेट टीम. सो टीम इज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन फॉर द ग्रुप ऑफ प्लेयर्स. A list of names. There are so many names in a list. So list is a collective noun. List is a collective noun for the names. You may also find some other collective nouns from other books also. From grammar book also. I have given you so many examples of collective nouns. So it is an homework for you. Search and find the examples of collective noun. I think you have better understood what is a collective noun. Collective nouns also have singular and plural forms. For example, class, classes, herd, herds, team, teams. Every collective nouns may be singular as well as plural. So make a collection of collective nouns. Our lesson is completed here. I shall stop here now. We shall meet with the next grammar topic given on the page number 29 in next lecture. Till then, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz and